Okay, it's nice to see when OnePlus starts new OTA update rollout, they roll out for almost all the OnePlus smartphones and including the older ones. Today not CE5 and even not CE4 got an update of OxygenOS 16.0.3 which comes along with Feb security patch. But as I mentioned in our OnePlus 15 video, which also received the Feb security patch update, don't expect much of new features mainly from Feb update. With March update, we might get to see some new add-ons. So here I have my OnePlus Nord CE5. Let me show you the software information by going to About section. Here you can see now device is running 16.0.3 build. And if I scroll more down, going under version, this latest version is 16.0.3.500, which comes with 1st Feb 2026 security patch. If you guys haven't received the update, you can just go to the software update section, tap on these three dots and select beta program. And from here you can download and update your device. I did the same thing. This is the update size which I received on my OnePlus Nord CE5. For Nord CE4, the update size might be smaller. But before talking about all the changes guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. Unlike other devices with OxygenOS 16.0.3 update, they have fixed this bug which used to say ColorOS in specific theme. So here I have a screenshot of before. And now if I go to the Flux theme, if I zoom in and show you guys, you can see it says OxygenOS. I'm glad OnePlus is not ignoring CE series here. And if I talk about the changelogs here, you can see under Delight and Details, they have made some changes. After that, under Security and Privacy, wherein changes are layered to Private Safe and at last Network Connection. But for OnePlus Nord CE4, you won't see this change along with the network connection change because OnePlus Nord CE4 comes with Google Dialer and this change is for the OnePlus stock dialer. Let me show you where you can find this change. This lets you disable the reply with SMS feature. So if you guys remember, whenever you get any call, towards the bottom side, we used to see reply with SMS. But this thing can be disabled now by tapping on these three dots, going to settings. Under answer and end call, here you have an option of reply with SMS. Tapping on it, from here you can disable this feature. Later on you won't see that option of reply with SMS whenever you are getting any call. But mostly I keep it on and it comes in handy sometimes. After that they say they have improved the app categorization in app drawer by adding the office and finance category to make it easier to find application. So if you guys are using any office account on your OnePlus smartphone, so here it will be properly categorized. There will be two new categories, one for the office and second one for the finance applications. Currently I don't have any office account added on my OnePlus Nord CE5, but users have confirmed on our previous videos that yes, the categorization is properly done for finance and office. Then you can see there are few changes layered to Private Safe. First one, it says you can now browse files in the Private Safe by sliding the sidebar. So here they are talking about the smart sidebar. If I open it now, tapping on edit, you won't see here the option of Private Safe. So even if I search, you can see Private Safe shortcut is not here. So to get that, what you have to do, inside the Private Safe, you need to tap on these three dots, go to settings, and you need to add home screen icon. Once you add the home screen icon, after that, now if you open the smart sidebar, tap on edit, and now if we search Private Safe, you can see we do have a shortcut of Private Safe, which can later on be added here in the smart sidebar. So for that, you need to create a home screen shortcut. If you don't do that, you can't find that option of adding the shortcut in the smart sidebar. After that, they have given an option to search the files directly in the app drawer itself, which wasn't the case before. So here you have the search tab, using which you can search images and video. And later on inside the Private Safe itself, now you have the ability to share the files without unlocking them. So if, for example, if you want to share any specific photo or video, just open that, tap on share, and you can see you get all the related applications with which you can share the particular photo or image. So guys, these are the maximum changes what you'll see with the Feb update. Feb update will not be bringing much of changes in the OnePlus smartphone. Meanwhile, you guys share your experience with OnePlus Nord CE4 and OnePlus Nord CE5 in the comment section. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.